We should leave it there now because you know what? If you give it also now, tomorrow something you will come out and say
Everybody go there.
आम्ही कोणत्या साईडने?
Go ahead. All the way first. Go ahead. Are you doing the light? Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Two years ago, 10th of July 2019, our elected representative of Talegaon, that is Jennifer Montserrat, who resides here in such a big wall and such a big house. You can see how big a house and how big the wall is. She left Congress and she joined BJP. Vishwas Ghat Kela Lokacho. Because all the people voted for her for a change. And what did she do? Did she take people's permission? Icharung gela tari ki baba shift jata koru. Icharung pasung na. She didn't even bother to ask the voters. But during election time in 2017, she went to house, complexes to complexes, and she asked everyone, please vote for me, please vote for a change, please vote for good governance. All was a farce, all was fake, because the Bunty Bubbly couple, Montserrat, that's why I come today at Casa Montserrat, because this is a mastermind family to disrupt and to, because of the people, the voters who have voted for them, without asking their permission, shifted. Today, what have they done for Talegaon? किती केला तालिगावकारांक? शेत आमचे शेतकाराचे शेत पिड्यार करून सोडला. They have taken 9 farmers' fields for a panchayat घर. आणि किती केला? Construction waste, garbage, debris, सगळे घातला शेतानी. If elected representatives are doing like this, what will the people do? People also will follow what the governance is doing. That's आमचे पाड हिंगा तालिगावचे. And if you go to see everything, right from the roads to electricity to water tankers are there in all the complexes today. In the name of development, in the name of urbanization, they have destroyed the essence of Talegaon village, the essence of Talegaon itself. Look, sarke fed up आएगा. All they want is construction, and all of them have a flat in each and every complex. Even the complex I reside, he had a flat in it. So the commission that is going, the land that is getting converted, do you all even have a heart? The Baba amche shet munun, you all are not even bothered. For 20 years, was the husband and the wife were in power over here. Not even one a health center, not even one hospital over here. During the COVID time, all of our people were in GMC. Why we have to go to GMC? We have such a big Talegaon community center. This could have been made into a COVID center. Why has she made it into a vaccination center? There are no other schools to be made into a vaccination center. You have made people of Talegaon suffer. Go right into GMC. Even my father was there. My father died. It took 5 days for the examination to take place over here, and still we didn't get our report. My father's health deteriorated because of that. This is the essence of our elected representatives. Everyone, they only come, they give money and they buy votes. Puro, that 5,000, 10,000 that they give people, puro. Lokache poishe, lokak pawpak zai, budget money, te pawana lokak. That's why all of our people are suffering here in Talegaon. And see their house, see their mansion. Is this wall permitted? Is this wall permitted? See the house, is this wall permitted? But rules are for everyone, not for elected representatives. So today, to all the Talegaon class, this is a reminder, and also Valmiki is here from the Panjim constituency to remind people, Baba, तुम्ही विश्वासघात केला लोकांचा, सारखो विश्वासघात. विचारून ना पासून लोकांक की बाबा शिफ्ट करू की ना. Today is a reminder for all of you all who have voted for Congress, They didn't even ask. So Chitu, you all should remember this day. That's why we've come to their doorstep to ask them, Baba, gaya Baba, congratulations. Vishwasghat kela lokacha, Vishwasghat kela. This is for you all to see for yourselves. This is a Congress hand with the BJP lotus. BJP. Valmiki, please speak.
2017 गोंयची असेंब्ली इलेक्शन जाले, निवडणूक जाली. त्या निवडणुकीन गोंयकारांनी बीजेपीक नकारले आणि काँग्रेसीक सगळ्यांक चड सीट दिले. काँग्रेसीक 17 सीट, बीजेपीची सरकार जी आशिल्ली तांकां फक्त 13 सीट मेळ्ळे. पूण चमत्कार असो जालो की सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो जालो आणि काँग्रेसीच्या स्वताच्या एका आमदारान म्हणिल्लें आसा की काँग्रेसीच्याच लिडरांनी मेळून, काँग्रेसीच्याच हाय कमांडान मेळून बीजेपीक व सरकार घडोवपाक तांणी मदत केली. हे काँग्रेसीच्याच लोकांनी स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो आसा. ताज्या मागीर जी काँग्रेस पार्टीन मॅन्डेट जो गोंयकारांनी तांकां दिल्लो तो भारतीय जनता पार्टीक तांणी विकलो 2017. फक्त तो सेलूच करूंक ना, ताज्या मागीर आफ्टर सेल सर्व्हिस सुद्दां दिली. 2017 एक आमदार विकलो, 2018 आनीक 2 आमदार विकले. 2019 10 जुलय, आज 10 जुलय 2021, आयचो दीस खूब सामको इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. ह्याच दिसा 2 वर्सां पयलीं 10 जुलय 2019 होलसेल रेटीन काँग्रेसीन 10 आमदार भारतीय जनता पार्टीक विकले. आणि आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी आपूण सामके 30 MLA घेवन स्ट्रॉंग गव्हर्नमेंट गेला म्हणटा. हे सगळे काँग्रेसीच्या आशिर्वादान जाल्ले आसा. आज आमी गोंयभर पळयता काँग्रेसीचे आमदार दुखावल्या, काँग्रेसीचे वर्कर्स ज्यांनी इतले सामके काम करून काँग्रेसीचे आमदार निवडून हाडिल्ले ते दुखावल्ले आसा. आज तुम्ही पळयला की काँग्रेस येदी व्हडली पार्टी, तांचो हात म्हळ्यार जो सिंबल आशिल्लो ताचो एक कितें तरी वालोर आशिल्लो. पूण आज ह्या काँग्रेसीच्या पार्टीन गोंयांत तो वालोर सामको झिरो करून उडयल्लो आसा. ह्या 10 मतदारसंघांनी लोकांनी कमळाक जमनीर उडयल्ले, पूण हो हात तो त्या कमळाक उखलून आज ह्या कमळाक वयर दवरिल्लो आसा ह्याच काँग्रेसीच्या हातान. आणि त्या खातीर काँग्रेसीचे आमदार आणि काँग्रेसीचे वर्कर आणि जे वोटर आसात ते खूब दुखावल्ले आसा. तशेंच बीजेपीचे वर्कर, बीजेपीचे कार्यकर्ता आणि वोटर ते सुद्धा दुखावल्ले आसा. तांणी खूब काम करून भारतीय जनता पार्टीचें नांव वयर काडिल्लें आणि कमळाचो तांकां एक कितें तरी अभिमान आशिल्लो. पूण वायट दिसता सांगपाक आज कमळाची ही स्थिती जाल्ली आसा. आज जे भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या नावार सरकार चल्ला ते खरें म्हळ्यार काँग्रेस जनता पार्टीचें सरकार हे. सो आज आमी मुद्दम हे केक हांकां याद दिवपाक आयला की आमी विसरूंक ना. तांकां दिसलें आसतलें 2 वर्सां गेलीं सगळे विसरले, मदीं कोवीड आयलें, लोकांचें एटेन्शन खंय दुसरे कडेन आशिल्लें. आमी सांगूंक सोदता एका गोंयकाराक ह्या विश्वासघाताची याद आसा तुमी 10 जुलैक केल्ली ती, आनी आमी तांकां याद करपाक आयल्या की आमी विसरूंक ना म्हणून. जशें म्हळें हो जो 10 जुलैक विश्वासघात जाल्लो, इट इज अ हिस्टॉरीक बिट्रेयल. म्हाका दिसता असो केन्नाच विश्वासघात गोंयच्याच न्ही भारताच्या इतिहासान हांवें पळोवंक ना जेन्ना सबंद काँग्रेस पार्टीच बीजेपीन गेली. एक आमदार, 2 आमदार नाल्यार आनी खंयची लोकल पार्टी वता ते खूब आयकलां. पूण गोंयान पयलेचदा देशभर आमी पळयला इतिहासान की काँग्रेसाची सबंद पार्टीच भारतीय जनता पार्टीन गेली. तर हो सगळ्यांक व्हडलो विश्वासघात जालो आणि हे फक्त सगळ्या गोंयकारांक आज याद दिवपाक आमी हो केक बाबूश मोन्सेराताक जो पणजेन आयिल्लो आणि ही इज नोन टू बी द मास्टर माइंड. 10 जुलय 2019 प्रमोद सावंतान स्वता म्हळें की बाबूश मोन्सेरातान हे सगळे 10 आमदार आपल्या खातीर ऑर्गनायज केले. म्हणजे आमी आज दाखोवपाक आयला की हो तुमचो सिंबल, हो तुमचो काँग्रेस जनता पार्टीचो आज तुमचो विश्वासघात गोंयकाराचो केला. आणि आमचो जो लेट्स क्लीन गोवा पॉलिटिक्स हो जो अभियान चालू केला ताका खूब बरो प्रतिसाद मेळटा आणि पीपल ऑल ओव्हर गोवा आर वेटिंग to kick this Congress Janata Party out in the upcoming election and bring the clean politics of Aam Aadmi to Goa.
This is for the Bunty Bubbly couple, Mr. and Mrs. Montserrat, Katkis of Goa. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, let's give it to the.
बॉक्स नाही ना किल्ला.
This is how difficult it is to meet our elected representatives. This is how difficult it is to meet our elected representatives.
Mr. Montserrat!
This guy is coming, let's give it to him. ओ भैया,
Security,
वो ये केक ले लो सिर्फ आप, हम जा रहे हैं फिर.
आप लोग खा लो और मैडम को 1 पीस देना.
अरे आप ले लो सिर्फ, आप ले लो. आप बाहर आओ, वो ले लो.
बॉम्ब नहीं है, बॉम्ब नहीं है, ये केक ही है.
आपको दे रहे हैं, आप आ जाओ.
You might think it's a bomb.
मैडम को केक दे दो सिर्फ आप.
Sure.
ओ भैया, ओ भैया. I think what we should wait till they come. No, they inside, they're not coming out. अरे भैया केक तो ले लो. अरे दरवाजा तो बंद भैया. अरे
Please open the door. बाबा उठे को दार. So this is our present situation.
छोड़ के जाते हैं. Leave it down because you know what? If you keep it down, then tomorrow something they will come inside and say, "Baba, हम तो मारपा काट लेंगे." They आने हम आगे. We leave it as a dog to leave it. I think the dogs deserve it. Once we are managing गाड़ियाँ बोल रही थी. क्लास में
Maybe the cake can go underneath, no?
It won't go. It looks dirty.
So since no one's opening up the door here, we'll try and see if we can go to their office where Mr. Montserrat normally sits. कौन उठते करना था? तुम्ही आहे ना? आमी हिंगा दत्ता केका तुमी पळयात केक 60
ऑनलाईन काढला खांबा काढला ते
आमी हिंगा दोता कित्याक कोण ना थिंगा हॅलो हाय ना ना आम्ही ऑफिसान येयला ऑफिस न्हय मोन्सराची ऑफिस न्ही सो आमी केक काडल्या अशें सराक दी कोण दार उक्तो करेन काडिना तुमी आमी हिंगा दोता आमी सराक मातशें दी ओके But you're the office staff, that's okay. You're not doing your job. We just come here to tell you that we've kept the cake here. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you and good night.
Valmiki. So we've come to Mr. Monserrat's office, which is this office over here. Since no one's opening up the door and this is the only office door which is open, we decided to keep the cake over here. Even the office staff are very scared. I don't know why. But this should be the case where we come, we give, and we are dispersing off. We've done our duty to remind all the people that today is the day 2 years ago Vishwasghat was done to all the voters who have voted for them. Whether it's Mr. Monserrat in Panjim and Jennifer Monserrat here in Talegaon. Vishwasghat kela lokacho. Remind करपाक अशी याद दवरात सगळी जाण. And remember, 2022 elections are not far away. It is up to y'all to bring about clean politics. So please take out the jadu in your house. We must साफ करूया सगळ्यांक. Especially all these people who have jumped and all new people. Give a chance for new politicians, for youngsters, so that we can bring about a change. Thank you very much.
आमकां आज बाबूश मोन्सेरात आनी जेनिफर मोन्सेराताच्या घरा वचून हो केक दिवपाचो आशिल्लो. आमी ऑलमोस्ट अर्दवर भायर वतान रावले, दारार मारले, कोण येवपाक तयार ना. ते कित्याक भियेता म्हणून कांय खबर ना. पूण आज आमी तांच्या ऑफिसान जे घराच्या सायडीक आसा थंय आयिल्ले आसा आनी एक केक आमी तांकां प्रेजेंट केल्ले आसा. आनी हो केक जो आज सिंबल आसा तो सगळ्या लोकांनी आज सांगला की आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी आनी काँग्रेस पार्टी हे दोनूय एकूच जाल्ले आसा. वोट कोणाकूय मारूं लास्टाक काँग्रेस जनता पार्टीचो सरकार जाता. सो हाजो आमी निशेध करपाक आयला आनी हो केक तांकां याद करपाक आयला की आमी हे तुमचे विश्वासघात जो केल्लो तो विसरूंक ना. आनी सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी आमची जी कॅम्पेन आसा तातूंत एक प्रतिज्ञा घेतलेली आसा. वी हॅव टेकन अ प्लेज की येता त्या इलेक्शनान आमी ह्या काँग्रेस जनता पार्टीक भायर मारतले आनी आम आदमी पक्षाचे नितळ राजकारण गोंयांत हाडटले.